Hi Femmes, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new to my channel, thank you so much for tuning in. Please do not forget to subscribe and also hit that notification bell so that you're notified every time I have an upload. And this is an upload worthy of a notification, y'all. Okay, I know you guys are gonna get me because today I'm simply give me a moment. I'm simply doing a show and tell. I know. I should have showed y'all from start to finish how I created and made this crochet wig. But listen, we're going to get to all of that soon. I know for a fact that I'm going to use this hair again because how could I not want to use it again? How could I not want to use it again? And you guys want to know the best part? The best part of this, well, first and foremost, shout out to SAMSBEAUTY for sending me this hair. I'm absolutely in love with it. I want every single color from natural black to whatever vibrant, radiant color they have. I'm like, this is amazing. Like, this is amazing. It's a show and tell, like I said. Okay, let me get focused. Let's get to the hair. Let's get to the hair, shall we? First things first, the first thing I did to even create this was I used this, and shout out to SAMSBEAUTY for sending me this. I used the crochet wig cap with combs, and it's by Model. This one is absolutely my fave. I've made other crochet wigs with this, but I like this one a lot because, and I know you guys can't really see that or whatever, but I like this one a lot because this one has bigger holes on the sides and then it has smaller holes in the middle. So your middle is more full, but your sides aren't too like crazy and full. But the best part, y'all, I'll say the best part. Well, no, because I'm probably going to forget. The best part, this is bomb. This is bomb right here. I'll be sure to insert a link to where you can buy this. This is also at SAMSBEAUTY. You have to get this one. If you want crochet wigs, then you have to get this. It's the wig cap with combs, y'all. The wig cap with combs, so bomb. But the best part about this hair, the best part about this hair, the best part is that I didn't cut it. Okay, wait, I'm lying. I did cut it, just a little on the bottom. That's all I did. I just cut just a little on the bottom. I promise you, that's all I did. I just cut a little bit on the bottom. But all of this, when you crochet your hair, it just falls like that. Like, hey, it just falls like this. Like, this is just the way it is. I didn't have to cut it at all. I simply took some hair, moved it over. I was going to do a bang, but then I was like, okay, my femmes have seen a lot of bangs from me. Let's get something different. Everybody's not into bang. I like bangs. I like the way I look in bangs, but I told myself, okay, let's do something, a little different. So I just did a swoop. And I think this is how I would wear if my hair was really big and, if I had this type of volume and everything with my hair, this would be how I wear my hair, like a little kind of comb over swoop thing going on. So this, you guys, what you've been waiting for, this is the hair. So it is by Afri Natural, and it's their Caribbean bundle braids. This is called Faux REMI hair, and it's 2 times. So you get 2 of these in one pack. You see, one is right here, and then I'll come on the side. One is right here, and then one is also down here. And this is there for a Bohemian soft water. It's 10 inches. For a Bohemian soft water, it's 10 inches, and I'm really just like, this hair is so beautiful. It's super soft. It's super big. I'm gonna say that too, y'all, ladies. Let me say this: if big hair is not your thing, then this hair isn't for you. Because, honey, baby, queen, I'm serving big, voluptuous tease. Realness with this natural honey. No, this is a showstopper. This is a head turner, whatever I got issues, y'all. Whatever you want to call it, this is that. Like, this is like, hello, I'm here. Listen, happy International Women's Day. Happy Women's History Month, honey. I'm giving it all. Like, I'm giving it all. So be ready with this hair, whether you get this color or whether you get a natural color like a 1B or number 2 or even a number 4. Some of us have lighter hair. You're gonna be seeing like this hair is huge, y'all. So let me go ahead and I'll do a 360. I'll go ahead and spin around for you guys so you guys can see what the back looks like and kind of see how, you know, this hair just falls into place. This was a show and tell, but ladies and gents or whoever, I promise I'm gonna have a full tutorial about how I slay this crochet wig unit. All right, this video is getting kind of long for a show and tell, but Femmes, thank you all so much for tuning in. Thank you for all of the love and support. Do make sure you're following me on social media. I'm on Instagram. It's at @the_FemmeFocus. Once again, please be sure that you are subscribed. I'm so happy with this hair. I love it, y'all. This is about to be my weekend hair. Hey, yes. Okay, anyways, that's it. You guys, thank you again. I love you guys so much. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.